Good evening, YouTube. Signature Scent Reviews with a review today over John Varvatos Artisan. Now, this is the pillar of the Artisan line in John Varvatos' fragrances. I love these fragrances. These great summer scents. I mean, they are just wonderful. Now, I know that John Varvatos gets a bad rap for, you know, the performance on his fragrances. Now, these are no exception. They do perform like they're supposed to perform. I keep telling people this is not, everything can't be beast mode. It's the quality of the juice. That's all that matters. And this, my friends, is quality juice, as well as the Artisan Pure that I reviewed before. This smells great. This is soapy greatness. It's masculine, it's soapy, it's citrusy, it's sharp. I mean, it just uses quality citrus. Like, all of the ingredients in this are niche quality ingredients. I'm not throwing that around. It's just facts, okay? This fragrance, this is a 4.2 ounce EDT. And I had to search around to get this. I got this under 30 bucks. Actually got it off of eBay from a good seller, reputable seller. The perfumer on this is the same as before, Rodrigo Flores Rue, and he got inspiration from this for this fragrance, I think, from, you know, smelling some very expensive soap somewhere in Morocco or something like that. I think that's what the story goes. But soapy, sharp, masculine, citrusy. It's really a hard thing to describe because that's one thing about these fragrances. There's really nothing that you can compare them to. There's nothing I can say, well, if you smell this, then it smells like this. No, this is just so, these are just so unique, this Artisan line. So far as notes goes, let's go into the notes, because this will tell you how quality these ingredients are. Sicilian clementine, tangelo fruit, Mexican tangerine, thyme from some country, Spanish marjoram, Greek lavender, orange blossom, an Indian plant called murrey or something like that, jasmine, orange, Nigerian and Chinese, and purple ginger. Oh, the ginger in this is good too, by the way. Caphalis wood, George wood, belambre, which is like an amber, a type of amber that note that they've created, musky serendide. It's just good all the way around. The casing, as you can see, is hand woven. Okay, who does that? You know, the casing is hand woven. I mean, this is quality juice. I think if you buy this, you should get the largest one that you can, because sometimes you don't know if these fragrances are going to be around forever. But this one is very great for spring and summer. As far as performance goes, this one, as well as Artisan Pure, lasts a decent amount on me. I mean, I get at least 5 to 6 hours on my skin, and that's great for a summer, spring scent, especially one with natural ingredients. These volatile ingredients, you know, they don't last in the air long anyway. But again, it's about the quality of the juice. I mean, you can have a cheapie that lasts you all day long, but it doesn't smell great. I'd rather buy quality juice, and this is quality. This one is just 1000% quality, and it smells wonderful. It's very unique. There's nothing out there that you can say smells like this. And so that's the same. And I know I'm talking about another fragrance, but the Artisan Pure, same thing. Very unique. Nothing else out there like it. And they both have ginger in it. That I love the ginger notes in both of these. But this is, again, John Varvatos Artisan. If you can find it, find it. Get it on your shelf, and don't just look at it, spray it, wear it. I promise you get compliments. This is just really great. And I know I say I like everything that I review, but I do like it, most things that I review, because I usually try not to review things that I don't like. And I love this. I don't just like this, I love this. So that's all I have for now. Signature Scent Reviews, signing off. Click on the notification bell for notifications. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber. And you have any suggestions for anything, send me a note in the comments. Thanks for stopping by, and peace.